Hello everyone, I'm Margaret and welcome to Deliciously Sweet and Savory. Today I'm going to show you how to make Café Con Leche Cupcakes, which is inspired by Spanish coffee with milk, made with milk and espresso. This recipe combines a few basic recipes I've already shown you how to make. It also gives an idea of how you could put basic recipes together to make something special. So let's get started. For this recipe, you need 1 batch of vanilla cupcakes, espresso buttercream, and whipped cream. The recipe links for the vanilla cake, buttercream, and whipped cream are provided in the description and through the links above. To make the Café Con Leche cupcakes, you will need to prepare the vanilla cakes and allow them to completely cool down. Prepare the buttercream and let rest at room temperature. And prepare the whipped cream. To assemble the Café Con Leche cupcakes, put the espresso buttercream in a pastry bag. I'm using an open star size number 8 tip, but you can use a different shaped tip, or if you don't have a pastry bag, you can use a spatula, a knife, or the back of a spoon to spread the buttercream. Then put a 1/2-inch layer of the buttercream or more. I like to cover the cupcake in a circular pattern. Then go back and add a second layer by spiraling inward. Repeat the process for all of the cupcakes. Now fill another pastry bag with whipped cream, or clean your pastry bag, dry it out, and fill the pastry bag with the whipped cream. Then add a 1/2-inch layer of the whipped cream over the middle section of the cupcakes, leaving a 1/2 inch or inch of the cupcake without the cream, so you can still see the espresso buttercream underneath. Repeat the process for the rest of the cupcakes. And then the cupcakes are done. The flavor of these cupcakes is very reminiscent of Café Con Leche, but in dessert form. The combination of the soft, spongy vanilla cake and creamy whipped cream with the espresso buttercream will make you think of a delicious cup of Café Con Leche. While making these cupcakes requires some preparation, these Café Con Leche cupcakes are well worth the effort, as they make for an interesting and delicious dessert. So have fun giving this recipe a try. For more recipes like this one, visit my website, which also has the written recipes and ingredient amounts. You can also follow my channel. I'd like to take a moment to thank my patrons for their support. If you'd like to become a patron to support my channel, visit my Patreon page. Also, if there are any recipes, Cuban or otherwise, that you'd like to see, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another recipe.